adults you're supposed to blame because to how we grow our kids. It's not like first time when me get eye on your one and you. So everybody busy with them own individual. So the whole system break down. That's why we have so much child abuse. You understand me?
We can see what this nation has turned to when it comes to kids. You have pedophile out there, you have all kind of different offender out there, and molesting the kids them. I'm a father with many and also grandchildren. And to be honest, I would want nothing to happen to my kids or grandchildren. So we cannot just leave it on teachers at school. It all starts from the home.
The media tell the story of the grim reality affecting many of our nation's children. Children who are facing trauma of all kinds as the attacks by criminals and abusers get more intolerable.
I know you're shocked, and indeed the whole of Jamaica is shocked at what has taken place. I'm sorry that it has happened.
The Ministry of Education after yet another tear-jerking tragedy. A call has been sounded from our nation's leaders and the general public for us to take greater care and protection of Jamaica's children. After all, it takes a village to raise a child.
It is sad for every time you hear a child murdered. And it's happening one too many every time. And I want to make a special appeal to mothers, fathers, and communities. Our children are our future. Had I been murdered, Jamaica would not have had today the first female prime minister. The other leaders were murdered. Jamaica would not have benefited from them.
As the Prime Minister makes it clear, our future development and success rests in the young ones of today. So it is up to us to make the difference. It is up to us to speak out against societal ills, particularly among our youngest and most vulnerable.
We can start by being more vigilant. Being vigilant in educating our children of the do's and don'ts of talking with strangers, assuring them that even persons who are very close to them in terms of family members, neighbors, everybody, can be a danger. So we have to teach them to protect themselves, to be aware of all the signs that can endanger their lives.
And even as the community is encouraged to play a role, the government, through its various initiatives and programs, is ensuring that all avenues are utilized to safeguard our children. The Office of the Children's Registry, one of the agencies responsible for this, is committed to the cause and continues to be vigilant.
We all have a role to play in safeguarding our future. Therefore, I encourage all adults to become positive role models to our children. You are called upon to set the right examples by dealing with the challenges in a rational and caring way. You are also responsible for the overall well-being while giving care to our children. Therefore, you must become aware and remain alert in identifying and dealing with the signs such as child abuse, all the various forms including neglect, child labor, child trafficking, physical abuse, sexual abuse. And so I do encourage you, go to our website at www.ocr.gov.jm. Learn more about the roles of the OCR, how you can become a partner. Let's care and protect, not harm and neglect our children.
And I want to make a special appeal to parents, mothers and fathers. Keep your children close to you. We have a responsibility as a nation to stand up for the protection of our children.